Account alerts help you monitor your finances and avoid paying unwanted fees. A balance alert will notify you when your account balance drops below your specified limit. By default, you'll receive a balance alert by email every time your account balance falls below $100, but you can customize these settings or turn these alerts off for specific accounts. To do this, go to the Messages and Alerts menu in Digital Banking and select Manage Alerts. Find the one titled Balance and click on the hidden menu link to the right. From here, you can remove the alert from all accounts by clicking Delete, or you can click Edit to set your preferences. When editing, you can change how you will be notified, which accounts are included, and what the desired threshold will be. The last option allows you to set the alert to send based on your current balance, which does not include lines of credit or holds, or the available balance, which includes the total amount of funds in the account, including any lines of credit, but minus any holds. To add a new alert, open the Add a New Alert menu while on the alert screen. You will be taken through setting up a profile if this is the first one you've created. Once you've opened the Balance Alert screen, fill in the required details. On our mobile banking app, the process is similar. By clicking on the Alerts tile, click Manage and select Balance. From here, you can edit the same features as on desktop, or delete fully for all active accounts by clicking the Delete Alert button. Find answers to more detailed questions by reviewing the FAQ on our website